Hi guys! So we're in my Greek goddesses series today, and today I am transforming myself into Hera, the goddess of married women, and yeah, she's part of the 12 Olympians. She's the sister wife of Zeus, so that makes her obviously the queen of all the gods and goddesses of Mount Olympus. And I came up with this look. It's, yeah, as you can see, it is blue and greens and also warm colors. I actually took one of her symbols, the peacock, as inspiration because yeah, you can. I will tell you about that little legend story and why I picked the peacock colors. But I think it's pretty. I think it's nice in this look. It's out of the ordinary and I like it. So if you want to see how I do Hera, then keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get to it. Starting out with priming. This is the Master Prime by Maybelline. I love this stuff, it's so nice. Concealer, I'm taking the NYX Full Coverage Concealer in green. I have some acne scarring that are still a little bit red. A little one above my lip. It was because I used a peel-off mask, and also what was it? I waxed the mustache, so hair follicle came out, and then bang, it got filled up with nastiness. Glad everything's covered now. And for concealer, the other concealer, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer in C1. Love this concealer, so full coverage. And then it smells nice too. Today I'm using my beauty sponge just for a change. Oh, hello. For foundations, I am taking the NYX HD foundation in nude. It's been a while since I've used it and I need to use it up. I'm just going to squeeze some out of my hand. And taking the beauty sponge and blend it out. I'm going to set my under eye concealer. I'm taking the e.l.f. HD Loose Powder in Sheer. I'm using the puff. I'm just going to bake it a little bit. The rest of the face, I'm taking the e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD Powder in Sheer as well on my powder brush. I'm just brushing away the bake. No need to bake a lot. That's the base done. Now I'm just going to do my brows off camera and the right side of my face, and then I will be back. Now let's start out with the primer. On the lids, my trusty NYX HD eyeshadow base. For this tutorial, I will be using the BH Cosmetics 88 Matte and Shimmer palette. I'm taking my crease brush by BH Cosmetics and this taupe color right here. I'm applying it to my crease and feathering it out. Have a bit on the lower lash line as well. With the same brush, I am taking, this orangey red. And that I'm also applying to my crease to have a bit of warmth. Because if we look at a peacock feather, there is some warmth in there. There is some, like a reddish tone there. I'm taking my base shadow brush by Real Techniques and I'm taking this sapphire blue. if you have this palette, then it's just the third from the bottom in the blue row. Such a gorgeous sapphire. Applying that to the outer part of the lid, going into the lid. The reason why I chose peacock, the peacock colors, is because one of Hera's symbols is the peacock. And why is that? Well, it was because she favored a particular, shepherd, you can call it that. It was a giant with thousands of eyes called Argos. It was called Argos, but then something happened that that Hera didn't particularly like, so yeah, and then Argos was punished, and Hera didn't like that because she really favored this giant. So Zeus, her darling husband, made with Argos's eyes peacock feathers. So that's why the feathers on the peacock look like eyes, and also the peacock's is very regal looking. So that's why the peacock is one of Hera's symbols, because of Argos. Now I'm taking my shading brush by Resonix, which I have done. I'm going over to the shimmer palette. I'm taking this shimmer Emerald, also third from the bottom. If you have this palette, in the third row, and I'm applying that to the inner part of the eye. I could have cut my crease if I wanted to, but oh well. I'm just going to do the old-fashioned way by blending just the middle. I'm taking my blending brush by BH, and I'm just going to blend my crease and also blend this middle section. Switching over to the matte palette again, I'm going to take the orangey red again. I'm just applying it to my crease again, using the crease brush. Now I'm taking the Pixel Point eyeliner brush. I'm taking the same color, and I'm applying it to my lower lash line because I want some warmth in there. Then for eyeliner, I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Cottage Cheese. I want that piercing highlight, the brow bone and the inner corner. Eyeliner, I'm going to use the NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner in black, applying it to my top lash line and winging it out. And for the inner rims, I'm taking my NYX Slide On eyeliner in jet black, and then curling my lashes and applying the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. And now I don't have any lash glue yet, but I will get some. So for now, I'm just going to apply this. So I'll be right back. Let's move on to the rest of the face and take my NYX Blushing Taupe and my contour brush. Contour the usual places. And also to get, that goddess resemblance that I have perfect cheekbones. Also below the lip. Changing brushes to an angled shadow brush to contour the nose. I'm just going to blend that out with my fingers. I'm taking my Benefit Hoola bronzer and my angled blush brush to get that Grecian tan look, just where the sun would naturally hit. For blush, I'm obviously taking my Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette in Hot Spice. I'm taking the Marbled blush to get that yeah, highlighted blush effect. And for highlighter, the Merry Luminizer by the Bomb. I'm using my setting brush for this. It's okay if we go a bit overboard. Ooh, gorgeous. Bridge of the nose. Nose bridge. Let's also go a bit here on the forehead. A bit on the chin. And then I'm just going to use my pinky and on the tip of the nose. And for lips, I'm going to use a red concoction that I really love. I'm taking the Gush Waterproof Lip Liner in Simply Red, applying that to my lips and filling them in. And then on top of the lip liner, I'm taking my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Monte Carlo. I love this color. Final touch, I'm taking the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Base Spray in Rose. So let's just do this. And now we're done with Hera, goddess of, of married women and sister wife to Zeus, and just, it's just, I actually kind of like this, like concoction of having a bit of the peacock colors and then the red lip, because she is the jealous type, we know that. So yeah, well, you're gonna interpret her any way you like, and I interpret her this way. I like it. I like it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So remember to subscribe, comment, and like this video if you liked it. It really helps me a lot. And then you can follow me on all my social medias and on my blog. And I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye!